a stroller, one a go school, and one blood clot a breed. For sure you say every month and every blood clot they them breed. So when you come say that, so you just a baby, your period is done. And Jakes are fuck it. That's the norm, Rose. Rose, that's the blood clot norm. They had 2 or 3 picking them up in a year over here. The Spanish them are picking it so. All because of blood clot taxes. So when you come and talk that now, everything up in your bedroom, you come spit it out drunk up. Akeem. Blood clot, Akeem. Come here, no man. Akeem, what you seeing a blood clot, Rose? Every day more and more, it is obvious. Say adjust. Money, yeah, do all of this for. Because if you as a blood clot boy, if you as a boy or a man, I take up a woman and she do her baby father so, and you can tell her to stop, and she can't listen you, then you're not supposed to do it at the bitch, then none at all. And so we know says just money in this blood clot for. So let me tell you something now. If you boy can't talk to Rose and say, yeah, hear me baby, it no sound good, it no look good, ease off for the man, what you do with her for then? It is obvious it's just the money. It's just your bank account, and it is truth. Because no well-thinking man now go talk up a girl where I bring down them baby father so, and them no say, listen me a man too, stop it, it no look good, tickers, it no look good, stop it. What you wait pan? Rose, thank you so much for that me a talk about. So, yo, you know how much people get unalive from embarrassment, Rose? Rose, embarrassment make people do things and blood clot regret it. Stop it. Can't say me a blood clot tell if you stop it, girl. Can't say me not tell yourself to stop it. Me say embarrassment make people do shit. And you're gonna sorry. And your minions are gonna blood clot sorry. And people are gonna come sing when the roll is blood clot. Call up your hand over your nasty blood clot if you don't stop it. May I tell you, this is not a blood clot threat. This is just a word of advice to you. Say if you don't want to take your threat, go suck on a mother too. This is a word of advice. Stop it. Stop it, you bumper wall them for tell if you stop it. Embarrassment make people do shit. And so come enough y'all lose them blood clot life and them face get cut up in it. So because of shit like this, because what happened in your blood clot bedroom must stay in your bedroom. You said the man blood clot fucking after your period done. Jakes, come on, all you blood clot come here, Jakes. Me have yeah, come here. What kind of blood clot stomach you have? Me hear Rose come here pan yourself, cause people and tell people say them think like the last year period. That means to say the last year Rose period is well think because she tell somebody say them think like the last year period, then Rose something wrong with your blood clot. As a matter of fact, you're so inside there full of bacteria. But Jakes come here now. What kind of stomach, what kind of heart your blood clot have, what kind of nostril you have, and fuck that the girl pan the last year period and she say her pussy so think. Yo boy, all you want some blood clot, boop, thump up in your back from me, you know. That me I try to tell you to, you know. But anyhow, those are the days. But come here, Rose, let me ask you something now. You think said Jakes are the hungry man where blood clot broke red light? When them girls see them blood? You think Jakes are the only man where call them girl in the shower and say, come here, baby, we go to the shower. Me want some pussy. You think say Jakes are the only man who do it, Rose? You come and come say Jakes fuck you when you period last year period, sometimes period never done. Let me tell man, at the norm. Welcome to the blood clot world of big people, Rose. Is the fucking norm. Enough boy bomber clot broke red light. And nothing good for talk about, but it's the truth. So when you think say you're going to take that, there's not more you can tell a man about when it comes to freakiness. You already said it, so you think of the man. You said the man you want your body. You said the man drink your piss. What else is there to talk? Jakes, we are weird pan blood clot you. Jakes, we are weird pan you. We are weird pan your youth. Drink some blood clot rum and bomber clot. Buy some special. Turn on your camera. We're waiting on your time for your talk. You need to silence this blood clot, girl. Jakes, if you don't want to put out some blood clot up your picture we don't have, give me put them on field. Come talk. Come, Jakes, come bust up all about the blood clot big ranker where Rose send our blood clot man chain underpants to you if you tie the blood clot man. Just come talk every blood clotting. Everybody are go down. They said enough is blood clot enough. Come and spit it out of your mouth, youth. Come spit it out. Everything when you know about the girl, come talk it, man. Are you used to blood clot driver got over man every blood clot to come talk it. Enough is enough. Fuck wrong with you no. And if you know over this, it's true, get restraining order, get this. Jakes, come and talk. Come talk. We are wait with blood clot popcorn and blood clot wine. See me, I want blood clot bottle of sparkling wine are waiting. I may have some blood clot popcorn over there so waiting. Fuck wrong with you. Every day you come upon the youth. Me say you go get something, girl. Stop. The man never come knock the door for fuck you. You come say the man come and look pussy. Fuck you for what? You all call the man woman bitch. You call the man woman bitch. Look, Rose. Yo, you lie so till blood clot, girl. You can't get Grammy if you lie. Remember you say when Jake go on a date with Kiki. You say you call Jake to come fix your cable. No, you say Jake's call you come tell you say I on this and that goat and you don't want Kiki. Where the part when they say you call Jake to come fix your cable there, Rose? You make it look like everybody where Jake go lay down with Jake's a blood clot chat them with you. You who is blood clot? You, Rose. All you make it look good and man wanted the blood clot TikTok millions. Rose, remember say you sunk for almost 400 million blood clot Jamaican dollar. Let me talk your business now, Rose. I don't know how much you have left. But the last bank statement, I say for you, Rose, I brushed 400 million Jamaican dollar. You sit down panning now. Out of blood. Let me talk your business for you. Since nobody don't want to talk, let me chat for your girl. The last see me say your blood clot account totally no girl. It's almost 400 million Jamaican. You blood clots on panning Rose. And every day you still come over here so and just a blood clot. What kind of 4 mil? We're not talking about no 4 mil. We're talking about 400 million Rose sit down pan Jamaica. Fuck it about fucking Rose sit down 2 million US dollar do the blood clot maths. And that Rose sit down pan right now. But at the end of the day still, you come over here and your blood clot come kill your local gifters. Come, if you don't give me when I talk story time, you sit down pan 2 blood clot million US dollar Rose in your blood clot bank account. Right bomber clot now pan a screen record. Pussy me know your business. Pussy me know how you get back your youth them. Pussy me can talk your business. Pussy me can bring down people this bomber clot ya. But Sassy easy. Sassy blood clot easy. Easy me a easy girl. Me know everything. How you get back you them every blood clot shit me know. And me know want blood clot spit it out. Me know every plan what you plan. Me know who and who you bring for the blood clot. The statement gets Jakes. A statement you go get them Jakes and can't see you play with all your blood clot mother lover. And that's right, yo. I love her and the statement against blood clot Jakes in a Rose. If you tell like pan Jakes now, but Jakes, why you not come take off your blood clot shirt? You take some picture, come and show your stab up and cut up your Rose, stab and cut up back your bomber clot to come show your scars. Come tell your story how Rose abuse you too. Rose use the whole of blood clot abuse and get visa fishing our blood clot children go foreign. A girl want me bust up some blood clot things on the morning, yeah. A girl, it's when people trust you and say, hold your mouth off it, hold my blood clot mouth, no girl. But I talk when me allowed to talk. Yeah, if me ever get the blood clot green light and say, Sassy, talk. Me talk some blood clot shit when me know. Pussy. I just show me a blood clot easy. Pussy, you sit down on 2 million US blood clot dollar. Right, blood clot no. And you come here kill your blood clot people them. And your mother and your baby father come over here, you kill them blood clot and come say, yo, go no one come take on me stripe. Pussy, I got pussy. Want all, lose all. Want all, lose all. Leave your baby father alone. Stop blood clot, you have to bring the man down. Jakes come talk when the girl pussy think and you fuck her and her pussy think. Come talk how much blood clot, dirty skid mark and pussy mark up on her drawers. You come let it blood clot out. Enough is enough. Me there for bomber clot back your yacht. Anything at all. Me nah blood clot back down. Fuck wrong with you? Are you alone a blood clot people? Me no want no box. Me no want no box. No blood clot group of people for blood clot bring it down. Me mad like that. Leave the youth alone. Fuck wrong with you? You sit down on 2 blood clot million US dollar right now and put it on a blood clot screen record. Tell her if you come tell Sassy say a lie me I tell. Tell her if you come tell me say a lie. Rose me see it with my blood clot eyes. Pussy I don't put it out on paper. And that me a blood clot show. You go suck your mother. Yet till you come and your blood clot sit down and I stress everybody and your baby father. God, fuck wrong with you. Your mother will birth you. Thank you so much, honey. Your mother will birth you. Come here, so. Come here, son, and look a blood clot dollar. And you, blood clot, I kill your mother, I kill your mother, I kill your mother, I kill your mother, just to come look a kinds. And the same thing you did try with blood clot, do with bumbo clot, jakes. Zane, and while you sung pan 2 million blood clot US pussy. Pussy, you sung pan 2 million US. Come tell Sassy, say a lie me a blood clot tell Rose. You's a germs. Want to lose blood clot all. The happy say everybody, as I share what I say, she never knows somebody dead and left this blood clot give. Somebody dead and left TikTok give your pussy. Fuck wrong with you. Every day you get up and remind the boy, say the boy me I'm your dirty pussy. No wonder the man blood clot salt and full of so much blood clot acne. Because him suck out koro to your dirty pussy old Rose. That's why Jakes have such a bad blood clot skin. Jakes want detox, want blood clot purging, want every mama bumbo clot thing right now. Because him suck out nastiness out of your old. If you saw you squirting and blood clot, that just imagine what you do with him body. Right now the man want blood clot, God, that will get a full bumbo clot 360, 451 blood clot million. Bumbo clot, medical detox purge, whole heap of blood clot, this and that, all time nasty blood clot right now. Because of when him suck out of you, Rose. Gonna am diamond, gonna am the whole of them, man. Begging some effort in the chat. None of them can blood clot tell you say you fi stop. Enough is enough. Rose, leave the youth alone. Me say embarrassment clot people pussy. Stop else I gonna get unalive, girl. And this is a warning. Leave the youth alone. Stop draw the youth and push you to the edge. Stop bring the youth to the edge. So say hug up, mash it. All that you got blood clot show people say a Jake's cut you in a Rose. All of your blood clots, scars and everything, you go up on camera and show them in a Rose. You carry your mother when you go get statement, you know. The shopkeeper will claim say Rose tab up in the shopkeeper go get blood clots him and gets Jakes, you know. And the youth, so the youth can't even blood clot enter into United States of America. Rose, we know what you do. Hey, girl, I will dash off my blood clot wig, you know. I want to talk some blood clot things, you know. God, hold my mouth. God, hold my mouth. Hold my mouth. I will talk some things, God. You try to plunder the youth and come to United States of America. And that's your blood clot, the Rose. Rose, we know what you do. Because me know where you do. Because me know where you do. Me know every blood clot thing what you do, Rose. Me know. Rose, me have evidence. Me know. No fame. Just nothing wrong with do a DNA. You can still love them from afar. That's okay. Just know your rights. But remember, say when him knows no fame children, it might not go well either, Rose. If Jake do the DNA and find out said Banch and Tambara, he might even turn to the blood clot left. How about that? You not think before you're talking about the girl. Dirty girl, you not think before you're talking up. You not think that this man I love these children for 12 years. Or 10 years. I know you come spit in his face that the children are not his. How am I going to take it? When a DNA is done. How am I going to deal with it, Rose? You're not thinking because you think that because you're big and fat, liquor got bounce off for you or some blood that got bounce. You're not iron head, iron chest, iron heart, iron foot. Not blood, but bumbo clot is not iron. Behave yourself, girl. Stop pull the youth. Stop pull the youth to the blood clot edge, girl. What the fuck you pull him out for? What you pull him out for? And him alone yam pussy. 99.9999 blood clot percent of boy no yam pussy. And 99.9999% of girl is so cocky. And 85% of man broke blood clots stop like them girl see them blood, them fuck them girl same way. So where you go talk? The uncle smart me know say when girl finger them man but you a finger Aki me say finger Jakes. But you know where you go come talk about Akeem say you push a blood clot 10 or 20-inch dildo in Akeem body. That you go come talk with Akeem, you know. That him forget. Me say you go come say you push a dildo in Akeem ass, you know. And you know why? Because him sit down and allow you, Rose, fear bring down your baby father. So and if him as a man, Caan come and say to you, say, Rose, stop. Stop, enough is enough. Ibad. Then I mean, so you soon start beating him off. But his day is coming up. Film disgrace day are coming up. Anytime the right blood clot time she find out say you really don't want her, no, she go fuck you. You sick of me? Come here. You can't sick of me. Come here. Come off my page. That you no can't stand with me a chat. Cause I'm me alone. And me and blood clot alone come and take off the blood clot Jake. So una go say, oh, no sick of me. Me say, uno come and me blood clot come and come say one rose. That's the whole one say one rose. Uno go and sing when the roll is called up blood clot yonder with a sticker rose. And me blood clot flowers them there. When then me can't find on me blood clot Christmas flowers. Show me when I go do pan rose. If uno can't blood clot tell this girl say, leave our baby daddy alone. Stop, bring down the youth. Give the youth a break. You already talk, already drunk, or one more in a youth for talk, you come say 12 years. So Jackson, when you pussy think, Jackson don't know when Rose pussy the think when you fuck around fly take you. Come talk out of your mouth, youth. For this dirty blood clot girl, nah, bumbo clot, stop. Turn on the camera, go drink a blood clot, bumbo clot, flask of rum and special. And hop in your blood clot camera, youth. We there. Nobody now bring it on. We there. Pan a blood clot sub life too. Sub your life. Bomber clot super fan it. Anybody want come comment of a pay $9 and $10 too. And come bring down our nasty blood clot. We're waiting with wine and popcorn, boy. We're waiting. Me there behind you. PP blood clot. Clocks. Me say, sub your life and turn on the camera. 2-3 blood clot hour. Have your special and blood clot 2 buckle of water behind you. Turn off your blood clot phone. I'm not going to phone you off. I don't want to talk. So no pussy can call until it says stop. Speak your mind. Enough is enough. We're there. Warm to you. Are you alone blood clot can talk? Are you alone can talk stinking Rose? We sit down for your $2 million USD and blood clot sad and lonely. Go live some blood clot life. Move out of the rat infested blood clot house, girl. And go live your blood clot life. You turn off the light on your blood clot mama, you know, girl. You take away the fan, the mama even have light. What kind of girl you better come talk about? Nobody can love your own like you. You don't love your blood clot mother. You don't love your mother. If you did love your mother, you didn't take toilet paper out of blood clot house. Somebody buy one liver ton buy a case of blood clot toilet paper, you love her. Suck your mother, Rose. What kind of girl you be? About 12 years at this you have. Are you alone can talk for 12 years, Jankro? Are you alone can talk for 12 years, thank you, Cheryl? Are you alone can talk for 12 years, pussy? We are wait for blood clot just to open your mouth. Enough is blood clot, enough. I'm going to care when nobody wants to say enough is enough. The youth has had enough. Me not care for nobody else. Me alone turn off my camera and come blood clot. Back in pan this pussy hole, yeah. Me blood, I'll chew off my blood clot wig for me mad right now. Fuck wrong with your girl. You come talk about your Betsy. Because your Betsy. Me say shut your mouth. Me and one of the youth go come talk. Come talk, Jakes. Come make your world know much up your man you carry Rose go. Come talk. Say you bury the blood clot shit on the yard for the girl you would come talk. Stop holding Rose secret, youth. The girl not all yours. We don't care who want call the mama, man. Me there for cuss out them pussy hole. Trust me. All on over there blood clot a back Rose. I don't think a Rose one have blood clot met. And 9 blood clot years I met Jakes have to. 12 years of blood clot met him have. You never suck blood clot cocky yet. You never suck Jakes bumbo clot with yet, Rose. And Jakes alone suck your pussy. You never pay a blood clot swap. You never say, baby, come, let's do 69. What the fuck wrong with you? One nice like blood clot 69 when you're nice and high and cool and nice and your boy clean and you clean. Fuck you, come bring the man, boy. You sit down on the man's face. Show me how you squat over blood clot. Because go on knees not going to boy face, go sit down. You have to squat over that blood clot. Show me how you squat, pussy. Show me. You come and bring down your blood clot youth. And the wall on over there, kick again. And I come Jay, and I come there, and I come there. Yo, I know the man alone, blood clot, broke red light. Bomber clot when your husband said, come baby, we're going in the shower. You know what time it is? Under shower, you have to take some blood clot fuck under red light. That is the norm, pussy. The norm for your man fucking baby mother have them a baby 2-3 weeks after the boy a fuck you. That is the norm. Nothing wrong with that. Enough girl if you turn on and get them boy one go back and say baby take time. Ow, me still tender. That is the norm. So we try to come and bring down the youth for that for. One more freakness you have to talk. You see you push up your finger in my body and then you lick it off, Rose. Remember you tell us you lick off the finger when you push up in body. Rose, remember say you say you lick it off when you push it up in body. You sick off, you lick off, jack shit off and eat. Remember you tell we. So what's that? You freaky too? Leave the youth alone, make him breathe. Guys, beg you some gift on the blood clot page. Water break. Beg you some gifts here, so. Make the youth get a blood clot break. Fuck wrong with you now. When I come, oh Rose, we love you. Well, we can tell you something. Oh Jakes, we love blood clot, you too. Oh Jakes, we love you over here. Yes, Jakes, we love you over here. When I come tell Rosealee, right, the first blood clot girl me see get beat them mama and get rewarded. And the first girl me see come on live, you beat your mother, and instead you come and say, yeah, hear me people, you know, me lick my mother, I'm really sorry, I shouldn't have done that. You come and bring down your mother. I say how much blood clot cocky your mother suck, how much pussy she sell. Remember say I love her and first there with Jakes now. Pussy. I love her and first and Jakes there now. So when your blood clot come take Jakes from Laverne, how you come say Jakes fuck your mother? When blood clot just a fuck Laverne before you. And you know why? If Jakes fuck Laverne before you and then go back go fuck Laverne, because I Laverne had the gum and the glow and the glitty. You know Abby Rose. Because if you go see your mother fuck a man. Make a face pack. Me dash off my blood clot glass. If you go see your mother a fuck a man, and you take with the man, and then the man go back go fuck him all fuck, something wrong with your pussy, Rose. Something wrong. If I suck Laverne and sucking wood, she suck it better. And if a pussy, she have the glue, the glitter, the glam, where you know having on your blood clot because Saba stinking hole, girl. You know have it. Because if your baby father girl, if you go back to him all fuck you, your mother, something alright. And go fuck your sister and your auntie, something no blood clot, and your cousin and your granny and everybody, something no blood clot, right? Rose, something wrong with the pussy. That means that your pussy all Akeem is the bank account, is the money. Thank you. Is the money all blood clot Akeem at this point in time? Something no right, Rose? Something no blood clot, right? When the man come tell you say, when the man come blood clot tell you say, even right now, if you say, yo, look how long your nature did, you go come say, nature not done in a hole. Yo, may I tell you something? You say, needs and wants. Needs and wants is a heck of a thing, you know. And that is why I tell you, me say, youth and youth, take Rose situation and Jake's mothers, sisters, teaching, look at brothers, look at siblings, look sons. Take Rose and Jake's example. And teaching a son if you have something about them. Work for where them want. Work for where them want. Have them own local money. Because me sure as God say, no for the time when Jakes might come and blood clot near your pussies because my beg girl look a blood clot money for name special. You use it for the youth the nasty. Because if the youth I tell you say a long time in blood clot nature dead from you. But you say your mouth never dead. Then that means it's enough time when you come beg your local money and say, yo, you have to suck up my pussy. Guys, tap up the screen, guys. Bring me 100K. I'm begging you some gifts, please. That means to say you sometime I forgot to tell you, so yo, you have to come near my pussy before me give you that. And then you use it over you right now. You not hear me, guys? And then now, you know, I come use it over the youth. You come use it over the youth. As a big stick. Rose member say you can't do blood clot style and fashion. You can't do style and blood clot fashion with the average young blood clot girl do. Rose member say you can't blood clot the roast duck. If a man even the roast duck him still can't catch your pussy because the whole of your belly cover your pussy, Rose. Member say you can't do style with the blood clot nice girl him do. When the style with Laverne can do, you couldn't do it, Rose. So that's why the man go back to Rose to Laverne and your mother for your fuck. How about that? You're big and think and couldn't can do blood clot certain styles. Your fuck was boring. But are your money you use, and conquer the youth. Your money. Your 2 million US, so you sit down and you use it and conquer the youth. Well, as a mother, as a blood clot mother, me I come wicked for blood clot, you. Come me want your blood clot come back wicked for me. Me you have 2 wicked girl here upon this blood clot. As 2 blood clot, crazy, mad, bomber clot, sickhead Gemini. Post me born June 20th. 8 days after you me born. 1968. Me and you want have it out so. Give the youth a blood clot break. Give the youth a break. My girl, that the back shot not even sweet because Rose is an all-in-one blood clot combo. Yo, Jakes, you must have blood clot back problem, Jakes. You have a back problem. Because to reach another the blood clot all-in-one combo, you have a hook up so like a blood clot hook around for reach another. Because that is a blood clot all-in-one combo where the whole of the body they way under you so curve. So you have a blood clot a back problem if you hook up another. So hey girl, go away. Go away. You go about and bring down the youth for blood clot, make you look like shit. For people, you make them pull all the youth blood clot record, you make them pull the youth record pussy. You make them pull the youth blood clot record and have it all blood clot about for sure the youth did in 9 days 9 back. That was then, this is now. For sure how wicked you be. You make them pull the man record and have the man record use against him. Whoever they behind you, now blood clot, sister, you are evil too. Them now watch TikTok for sure you beat your mama with you. Them not see that. Them not see how you come back. But let me tell you something, Rose. Dog yam egg, dog teeth and yam egg. I saw you got them yam till them blood clot dead. I'm going to tell you why. You see, just like, oh, you crash out your son, and with I say you want to kill that. You see, when you get your house, and you have Chantal and Barbara live with you, and you and blood clot handsome shit in a problem, I see him when you go blood clot crash out again pan a camera. And this time you go lose them for good. Because I never Jakes. When you go tell lies, say, at the pressure of Jakes, make you did what you did and said what you said, you're lying. Because you know, say, Akim did a crash out about the night. And then you take it over upon Jakes. So let me tell you something. So, same as so, you said the night, your blood clot children, are the same thing you're going to do again, Rose. Because this a time you are going to live with them alone and you and Akim are going to have a problem and Akim are going to ride out or drive out left you and the same thing are going to step on over alive and not even realize it because God not like ugly, And then at this so you are going to show blood clot, Girl, me a wait pan Laverne for come say yes a Jake she see. A Laverne me a wait pan for come say yes a Jake she see. Because she said, Laverne, our so-called mother, see the person and say, why you do you so early? Okay, so me I tell you, say, you are going to crash out again, girl. You have a blood clot crash out again. Me now ask me, I tell you. Because when peer pressure take you on the boy, run gone, if you are going blood clot crash out. So you stay there. So we are going to see how good of a mother you be when them come and them blood clot pave a way for you and spread out red carpet for Rosealee get back her children. You're not a good blood clot mother, Rose. You coming like the barrel mother, them will live a blood clot foreign. You know when the girl come a foreign like I call myself and send one barrel with name barrel mama. You ain't gonna name clothes and boot mother because you not take care of your children. If the system, thank you, if the system should have got fear with Jakes, they're going to say that Jakes is a better parent than you. As much as you say he's abusive, and as much as them say the amount of million, and that fuck Jakes in a rose. Because every time when Jakes lick you or you have a fight, you go to station go report. Let me tell the people them this, Every time, when you and Jakes have a fight, whether you cut Jakes or Jakes, you run gas station, So all of them, the blood clot report, their station pan file. The amount of time you go report to Jakes like you. But Jakes never yet go report. When at that fuck Jakes na this, Jakes never yet go report. If you say, yo, you do this to him. At that fuck Jakes says your word against him. Against his. But remember say if them the system never have that over Jakes, you look pan blood clot Jakes, Jakes is a better parent than you. By far, you only buy clothes and boot and food. But Jakes got PTA. Teacher know Jakes a PTA. Teacher say Jakes a walking children to school. Jakes a cook. Jakes a wash. Jakes a this. What you do? Lie down on a bed like you're somebody, like you're nice. So you're not a mother. You're going to bring them forth. You're going to piss them out of your blood clot belly. You're not a good mother. And Jakes are the better parent. But guess what happened? I be a fucker you go on with. And the blood clot, big knobs up there, so where blood clot, if a big phone call, CDA use a blood clot corruption for a blood clot screen record. CDA in Jamaica use a blood clot corruption. The one I want to forget fire. CDA in Jamaica want to forget fire. Una corruption. A bribery no take and give back Rose our blood clot picnic. Make a spit blood clot fire this morning. Go suck on a mother CDA. Corruption. Or to take and give back Rose our blood clot picnic them. Because Rose is not an unfit mother. It's not a good mother. She's a very much unfit mother. She's not a good mother. But when people in the high places, no God a bomber clot, no call destiny. No call the shots. A God call that. So when you come and make a dirty girl, a provoke a blood clot youth. I make a youth, and that's how they play, Jakes, and that's why I text you and I say, easy your blood clot self, youth. Don't fall for the bait. And that's how it, the bait is that say, they might provoke you for you come out, and you continue commit yourself, and you continue go on like say, yo, you're threatening her, for them use it against you. Rosa seek blood clot asylum with her children a blood clot foreign because she wants to she afraid of Jakes. Me tell you what, I want talk some blood clot things on the day. Yo, support my life goal. Beg on some gift there. Beg on some gift. She'll try to find some. You see she come out and tell lawyer, say lawyer, me not live ya. Lawyer, Rose, you can't run come America come live without blood clot papers. I report it to bomber clot ice. Pussy. Water break. Thank you. We are reported to ICE. You can't come over here. You are trying for the man commit himself, Rose. Me know. Me not ask you. I want me know me attack. So that's why you know dep on the man. I live on the man. I live on the man. I suck out the man. I draw the man. I not under Trump jam down. Not a bomber clutch in Libya. She going back home with them. Why you suppress Camille? Come here. But why me suppressed? Because I'm a mother. Because a 4-boy pick me have. And when me see some big dirty stinking girl, a shit pon the youth so, and I deal with the youth, so it hurt me to the fucking core. No, because man said, no, it's not the blood clot, me that person for come out, come cause me a Jake's second blood clot mother. I mean them sweet and sassy. Learn that one of a blood clot come through me too. Remember me telling her that. Not no blood clot change. Oh no, go away. Go tell the blood clot girl so she have, go tell the girl for ease herself. Else me say I go through a Rose and sing when the roll is called up yonder. Because me say embarrassment. Rose. Make people do shit. Can't say sassy no one you. Rose me no like talk. Me mouth no blood clot good Rose. Me mouth no good. Me mouth no good girl. Don't make a talk. Leave the youth alone. Embarrassment cause shit. Leave the youth alone. Yo, you see if you no blood clot one the girl there. Remember me telling you say. Body bag for your bomber clot. Anyhow you no leave the youth Rose. Me I tell you no. You think a joke me I tell you. Me says not a warning, it's not a threat, it's a warning. Embarrassment make people do things. Leave the youth alone. You bring him down enough already Rose. Give the youth a break. Regardless of what you want to take you so the two picking enough fame. That's why the last try I try for you, so broke the youth back. For tell him, say, yo, the local picnic is not fame. For show you even your blood clot big girl. You come and tell the youth, say the blood clot picnic them is not fame. After the youth and nurture the youth them from Shanta 10 to Barbara must be 6 or 7. And I know you come and tell the youth, say the blood clot because you want to get the youth angry. Hey girl, you're evil, you fuck. Leave the youth alone. God on time, Rose. God, me say if God not beat you, me not born 1968 to blood clot. If God not beat you, of course I sure be a Brit. Me say if God not beat you, me not born 1968, Rose. I swear. No, God slow, but him sure. Them could have prayed 1 million blood clot prayer. It can't help you. You can't escape this a beating Jankro. Jankro, this a beating with God of you. You can't escape it. Because guess what you do? You try to make the youth commit himself. That's why you come out every day, pick on the youth. Look on the youth I play with my boy the last night. You continue to spam the boy if you go over there so you want to go cuss Jakes. Leave the man alone. Leave the man alone. The whole out of how the man blood clot deems him a G-man and my murder and my this and that. Leave the man alone. The man need a fucking break. He's somebody's kid. Jakes, me say, no make nobody tell you no come talk. Me say get a blood clot floss, a blood clot rum, thank you, Miss Tolo. And bomber clot sit before your camera. And spit fire upon her nasty blood clot. A talk for talk. She can't say you're freaking no more time. She come and say you fuck her and her blood just done. That is enough. She say you're not your name her pussy. That's okay. Come and spit fire upon her. Talk how much time you're pissing her blood clot mouth. Talk how much time your dress is dirty and murky and germs and think. Talk how much time her pussy. Think, Jakes. Talk. Enough is enough. Blood clot enough. No care. Me there. No blood clot care. Pan a screen card. Talk. Enough is enough. Talk much time you have to bear the girl when she's sick in the bed and her pussy rotten like a dog and you wipe her up. Rosie never come talk them thing. How much time a blood clot man tidy your bumbo clot. Girl, you don't come talk how much time you did and you're sick under the youth. Wipe you up and wash you up, girl. But you come and talk the dirtiest things about the blood clot youth. Girl, me hate you. I hate you for this. As a mother, as a blood clot mother, I hate you for this. Because you couldn't do my son's a blood clot, Rose. Me clean shit over here till me sick and fix blood clot, you. Proper. Remember me tell you that. Couldn't blood, no girl, no blood clot girl, me none of my son them there with. Can't blood clot rampant with son them so. You're crazy. Carry you all got blood clot doctor girl. And your bumbo clot there. I bring the youth down because master and our blood clot come out, come say nothing. Girl, me not like you. Me not hate you for what you have. Me not like you because of your ways and how you treat your baby daddy. A man who could have poisoned your blood clot for how much bumbo clot rice and sardine. Yo, Jakes, I saw me know say your blood clot good. I saw me know you're good. Saw me know you're good. Because for this some blood clot boy, you're cold. Rose, you're cool. You're cool. Lay down tiff and cool. Because any man who got this kind of disrespect and insult and embarrassment. And any kind of man who got deal with it, Rose. The man that try to hold it. And the stinking girl Rose that try to pull the man out and the youth that try to hold him. The youth that try to hold him composure. But you have 12 years of freakiness. Look here, a Jakes alone I go blood clot freaky you come me swear to God. Say and some shit in now go freaky with you. So they look at freakiness so you enjoy out of Jakes. Write it down in your book up, in your book of life, in your memory, girl. For no other boy now go want to call. Guess what? If I saw you come and bring down your baby daddy, no other boy now go lay low with her do certain shit with your girl because you are a disrespect. You're a fucking disgrace. You're a embarrassment. You're a every shit. The woman would. Which girl do that? Which woman do that? Which woman go to bed with them man and certain shit happen and them come out come talk Rose? Which woman who does that? Who the fuck does that? You alone. We have man where do the most freakiness we do. You say we come out and talk it. No, because them their bedroom blood clot story. We did enjoy it. We did enjoy it. So we don't need to come out come talk. I just said the younger man in your front. Oh, well, me can stress and some shit now go do it. And you blood clot boy, Aki, me tell already say, if you can tell this big old sour stinking hog, me say all you blood clot girl diamond. I come out and come say, go ahead boy, go ahead, I call Jakes mermaid. You can some say that figure it out and call Jakes mermaid blood clot diamond. Come here, all you bomber clot come here diamond. Girl, come here. Miss Piggy looking sideways, girl, when you have on the filter. Come here. You can blood clot call Jakes blood clot. Look a mermaid when you're blood clot. Sit down beside blood clot. Figure it out. Well, look like blood clot mullet fish with him 2 eye cock out and him blood clot lip on top and veneer, sir. That's a blood clot. Figure it out. Lip cock up on him blood clot veneers. And you come and come say out of your blood clot mouth come say that say Go away. Rose and push up your finger on your body hole. Girl, that really come out of your blood clot mouth. Your groans out. Girl, your groans out. No bumbo clot diamond. Because you come out and come say that, say, go away. Rose and push your finger up on your body and finger on your body. And that come to him out tonight, you cost Jakes, you know. And you blood clot sit down and say, Rose, pass me liquor, give me. Yeah, Rose and your mother one pot and plate up at the ear and B. And you come, girl, you don't have a blood clot about you. You don't have a shit about bumbo clot you with a mullet looking batty boy. Figure it out. Leave blood clot Jakes alone, girl. Cause me will take blood clot you and I'm not afraid of bumbo clot you. Come in New York any blood clot time you're ready. We not care. You come and take on every blood clot and everything you come talk about. You can't call blood clot Jakes mermaid when you say that blood clot sea creature. When you sit down and say that blood clot mullet fish are living in the blood clot sea diamond, you tell Jakes I'm a mermaid. And Rosa comes say several times you finger the man body. Rosa, when you say you lick, remember you tell us you lick it off when you don't smoke a cigarette now. So you yam shit. You finger blood clot Jakes and then you don't you yam the shit pan a blood clot cigarette and lick it off, girl. Cause you don't look like you bathe and wash blood clot and you ever think. Girl, me can't tell a story when you think I told me no want blood clots and not on my mouth. Pussy, me know half of your blood clot story. I easy sassy a blood clot easy. Pussy, I easy me a blood clot easy pan a blood clot 360 pan a blood clot. Today the 9th, me a easy pan the 9th of December. Me know your blood clot story, Jankro. Water break. Leave the youth alone. Blood clot, enough is enough. We tired of you. We tired of you. We tired of you. Everybody make a come carry along the youth. Everybody make a come cuss the blood clot youth. Everybody make come carry. Let them live better. Majority of the girl over your life and who are put up with you, Rose, and your fucker. You know why? Because I saw them treat them mother. You know what? The big pussy sodomite suck it to little girl them, fuck it to little girl them. Right now we support you. Mother they are Jamaica. I wash a river, I wash with our blood clot and not even washing machine. You know how much of them not take care of their mother, but them put on their money for come give to one Rosie. A lot of uno. A lot of them not take care of them blood clot mother, but come here so and give people on this app. I don't care about them family of Jamaica. That is why uno can come. Thank you and come and I come say, oh, one Rosie, one this. Because what? I saw enough of them dirty gal I treat them mama down a yard like a dog. Them don't know mother's love because the big woman of foreign tell you say you need to come explain yourself why you lick. She not even tell you say the big woman of foreign you're not even blood clot tell you say come and apologize and say you know say me lick my mother I'm sorry guys but you know why me lick my mother because my mother provoke me and my mother this and that. No, instead you come and offer a word of apology if you bust your mother head and stab your mother in your head you come and say oh Russell and not a Russell we hear you. We hear when you lick the blood clot when you start it. You don't come and apologize. Oh, no. But you come and never tell you say, oh, you come and say, oh, love her and suck pussy, love her and sell pussy, love her and this, love her and that. And none of them, all them over there say, oh, Rosie, we love you. We love you. None of them I say, it's your apology. Apology where we pan, apologize. None of them no come say apologize to your mother now. But all of them come and tell you this and that. Isn't it sad? And you know say on our mother, and when me look at some on a blood, one time you can look at my profile and say blood clot, the cuss girl look good. But when me look at some on a blood clot profile, someone look like a dober dog, someone look like a blood clot lion, some look like a tiger, some look like a sea whale, some look like a Bigfoot. Oh no ugly. When me look at some a blood clot, I no see bad. All you sexy blood clot, Lisa, come here. Somebody send me a screen record about you with your sexy Lisa. When you come say that say, a blood clot, I fit two kinds for mine, Jake's children. Sexy Lisa, what you mean say you have two kinds? For blood clot, mine Jake's children. Or do take care of his responsibility. So since as you have two kinds, Rosealee, for mine, Barbara and Chantal, you want me help you get some blood clot man so you can suck them? Or nyam but you're going to sell some pussy sexy Lisa. I come for the whole on today now. I see it no girl around there. I see it no. When you are say Jakes, when Jakes had a long time big woman name, the man never call your name, dirty girl, sexy Lisa. Pan a screen record, send it to the pussy for me. Sexy Lisa, Jakes never call your name. He said a long time big one name was sung up on him name. You may call me blood clot ribbon and drop out of my ear. He never says you. He said a long you own a long time big one. You come say I want thing we look better than your woman or you have never no time. You can't look on that look nice sexy girl with GX there with now. And I come say sexy Lita say you look like her. You come say me can't play make we hear you no come have it. Me can't play it for the people I'm here. But you me no want show off myself right now for me no want blood clot mad in mood. Me want cuss. Sexy Lisa. Jakes never call your name pussy. And you true. Remember say Rosealee say 800 a fin wig. So when you come and I come say you true kinds for take care of Jakes responsibility and look on your blood clot you know we want. Look on your wig pussy. You come say that say you look better than Jakes woman. Where when I'm flocking how. You know say that's a nice young girl. Put fun and jokes aside. You know, sister, that is a nice. What you mute her for? You should mute her, man. Take off mute off her blood clot. Let me get her back over here. Let me deal up with her. Hand block her, moderator. Let me deal up with her nasty blood clot over here. So, when you are going to say that's a sexy Lisa, say you look better than you look a girl. Liar, blood clot tell. Sexy Lisa, come here. Unblock her pussy, well, moderator. Let me deal up with her nasty blood. Me catch up on my life. Come here, pussy. Come back here, so. You want to me box? Make I tell you something, say. You also that say, I will not show kind to mind Jake's children. You want to go suck somewhere wood? Or go sell some more pussy sexy Lisa? Since as you say you have to take care of Jake's picking them with kinds. You want, what kind of man you like? Unblock or bumbo clad? Me write them. Tell me sexy Lisa what kind of man you like. Me have a piece of blood clad paper to write them for you. Me help you look some man so you can go sell some pussy girl. And suck some blood clot cocky. For mind Jake's children. For give Rosealee more blood clot kinds. Say, hey girl, you know long me want blood clot down your pussy. Jake's all time, long time big woman in calling him drunk, dirty sexy Lisa, sell pussy sexy Lisa. Go take care of young baby them in your house, bad girl. Fuck you come for the youth bout. Give me your blood clot. Listen, I'm right on my help to find some man. So I can go fuck somebody and sell pussy and suck out for give Rosealee more money for mine blood clot Chantal and Barbara. With their blood clot rank and stinking self. I can't talk about a owner to kind to take care of Jake's responsibility. If Jake to the children lunch money this week, he not forget them next week. It's Rose's responsibility. The two of them are earn now. Fuck everything will not come up like a man blood clot when they're sexy Lisa. Go near out your done blood clot germs a fly blow mother. Don't call Jake's name out again, pussy. Don't call the man name out again. Fuck wrong with you. You come talk about say, you woman where you have. Yo, Minnie, where the blood clot visa the Minnie? Where the feeder the Minnie? You come talk about say, but you come talk about say the way how we look. Your woman where you have don't look like no you want blood, you want reading glass pussy. You can't look on a nice sexy young girl like that and say none of them she don't look like none of uno. And when we go up on the whole of uno in the blood clot box profile, see me box myself, you can't buy me 2 hot wig. Me want 2 hot wig. Them wig your blood clot steal out. Go beg 2 wigs. Lisa like come here beg 2 the day ya. Rose wig at $800 and he spent $300,000 at blood clot rubber party. And we see my night at Daddy Sunday or wish a Sunday I throw blood clot money in a magnum bucket. But you are come say that say I don't know if you throw kinds for mine Jake's picnic. Under what circumstances, Lisa? You know say you're a fucking idiot. You're a baboon. You think I know what kind of creation me I give Rose my blood clot money? And Rose said she spent $200,000 on the party. And yet $100 for you for week. She could have never get her next blood clot sent from me. Me not gonna go tap her blood clot screen so forever and ever tap till my finger rub off and crimp up and pram and broke. But not the next dollar. So when you say yeah, go and go sell some more, fuck Lisa. You and your blood clot all over the box. Me nah no box with no old girl over here. Me alone. I don't know no blood clot. Me no box up for girl. And you come for me, I got blood clot. Come back for later before me go work pussy. Anyhow, your blood clot call up me name over the pussy. Me I come back wicked for blood clot you. Leave the youth alone. Rose already a piggyback on the youth and I suck the blood clot blood out of the youth. Yeah. Leave the youth make him bumper clot breathe. Fuck wrong with you know. Boy, your body in a band video. I can't talk about say, I will not throw kinds. What the fuck? What you have to throw kinds? What you have to throw kinds of mine blood clot, you expect me them? Rosealee pan 2 billion blood clot US Lisa. So you not figure no more. Bamba wall. The wall I not come down by baby. Leave the youth a blood clot alone. Check my WhatsApp, alright, honey. Leave the youth alone. Master, you don't have to come see a blood clot. Leave everything to me, Master. Master, you don't have to say a bomber clot. Jake's mother, you don't have to say nothing. I got it. Sassy blood clot, got it. Guys, back me some gift there. 200k, 300k tops, guys. I got it, Master. Me die for them nasty blood clot. Trust me. JX no cuss nobody. We just want you come and blood clot talk about Rose. Mash up Rose blood clot dirty deeds on this blood clot. Make she quiet. Talk about our nasty blood clot. Talk, you talk. Talk. Hop in your mouth and talk. And you want to come call him batty blood clot, man and sissy. Me on a nasty blood clot. A long time we are telling us stuff to tell the youth, to tell the girl to leave the youth. Just come talk. We're blood clot ready with the champion and we blood clot. And we blood clot screen call for the pussy them. From one life to another when me done me come for you on a bomber clot. We're ready, Minnie. We're ready. We're ready now this bomber clot. A full time the youth for talk. We're ready. A long time we are telling us stuff to hold on your blood clot mode. But we're ready. Enough is blood clot enough.